to all the boys and girls. I hope you are taking good care of yourselves. So it's 6 p.m. in the evening, time for my show. So let's begin the Chit Chat show. And as you all know, this Chit Chat is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. So today on our guest list, we have someone who was a dentist, then one beauty pageant changed her life, and now she's a lifestyle influencer. Well, what's that all about? We need to ask that from our guest, Marita Montero. So let's invite her online and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. I hope she's there. Hello, Kabir Khan. Hello, Ritesh Dudi Walaji. Thanks for joining online. Thank you very much for the compliment. I really love all your compliments. Sometime between the show, when you give me that compliment, I'm not able to revert back. But thanks again for all your lovely compliments, which you keep showering me, every now and then. And thanks for joining this. I hope our guest would be there in some time soon. Hello, Pradeep. How are you? Today we have a lifestyle influencer, and as you all know, this is the latest, thing which has come up in the social media. People are influencers, and they are really influencing all of us. So we will talk about that today. And hello, Dhanki ji. Thanks for joining. Well, I think our guest has not seen the notification, and we have to wait for that. So let's do that because we don't have any other option as of now. Hello, Shiv, Shambhuji. Thanks for joining. Well, so hello, Shubham Thakur. So it's only in the beginning of this chat show, till the time our guest is not there, I can generally take all your names and revert like whenever you saying something to me. So thank you, Vishnuji. Yes, Marita is there. So let me just invite to everyone who has joined, and thanks again for joining because it means a lot. And just stay tuned. Okay. Hi, Marita. How are you?
I'm good, Asha. How are you?
I'm good too. We were connected somehow through social media, and it's good to connect through Insta now, like on this media. Yeah. Through this
I
chat
know.
show.
I've always seen your shows, and I think I've commented on so many.
Yes,
So
yes,
finally, I
yes.
get to be a guest. So
That's
that's
what
really,
that's yeah that's the thing that like that's what I'm saying, that we were somehow connected, and finally we are actually getting connected through this show, and that's amazing.
yeah. So how have you been,
Okay.
Asha?
I'm being like, actually, this show is keeping me really in good spirits because
Active and
when
on
I'm
your
talking.
toes.
Pardon?
Active and on your toes because you're
Yes, yes.
connecting with so many people.
Yes, very true on that also. And it's like when you connect with so many people, you get to know about their journeys, their, all the struggles, all the things, and it generally gives you that kind of spirit that you have to hang on. So it's a very positive thing, which I think like I'm really enjoying, and I hope you also will enjoy the show. So let's
Yes, of
begin our
course. I think
show,
looking
and
forward to.
yes. So first of all, what generally I ask my guests, that because all of us were so engrossed in our work and everything, we never used to get time to do the stuff which we really loved. So probably in this lockdown, what is the one thing you picked up from your old passion, or something new that you kind of found out the new passion? Was there anything, did you do something new or something revived old passion?
Honestly, I think I got enough time to work on my content on social media
Okay.
because
Okay.
before this break, I didn't
Mm-hmm.
really know how to get very creative with my content,
Mm-hmm.
So my
Mm-hmm.
pictures revolved around my life actually, the events I
Mm-hmm.
attend, all my contests
Yeah.
before that. So,
Yeah.
basically it's just been about my journey and putting out snippets of my journey. But
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
lockdown gave me time,
Yeah.
and I looked into, deeper into what exactly is content creating and how
Yeah.
can I,
Yeah.
hold on to people's interest. So
Yeah.
I take a lot of reference from youngsters today,
Yeah.
because these young minds are just so creative and
So
full
creative.
of
Yes.
talent.
Yeah.
So I take a
Yeah.
lot of inspiration from them, and I've,
Yeah.
I'm trying to change my style of presenting my content. So
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
this is something new that I learned. I've always been creative myself, but
Yeah.
I think I
Yeah.
got a time to, mold myself into being a
Yeah.
creative content creator as well.
Yeah. Yeah. So, you're very true in that. I think, I've been also seeing quite a lot of your posts, and all your posts have, like, there is something which stands out, So it's like, probably either the writing style, the way you write, the way you present, or probably the way you connect with the present scenario, something or the other is there, which I always relate, I love looking forward, and reading to your post. So what is one thing, I want to know that, as a lifestyle, influencer, what is one thing that जो जिसे बोलते हैं ना कि every day starting your day, what is one thing which actually pushes you and like tells you कि अच्छा आज क्या डालूंगी मैं content, कैसे कैसे सोचती हैं आप, how do you actually think about that?
First, I'll take that as a compliment,
Yeah,
because
that
I
is a big
really,
compliment. Yes.
there was a time when I really
Yeah.
thought that I'm not really doing great, when it comes to Instagram.
Yeah.
Because once you've gone into this system of social
Yeah.
media influencing,
Yeah.
it's very
Yeah.
difficult to step out of it, it becomes
Yes.
very
Yes.
entrapping. So,
And
and you
addicting.
want to be, yes, and
Yeah.
you want to be presenting really good stuff so that people
Yeah.
remain connected with you
Yeah.
and can
Yeah.
relate to you as well.
Yeah.
So, and as I said, there was a time when I thought I was doing not so great because I started losing
Yeah.
followers. I don't
Yeah.
pay to buy followers and
Yeah.
stuff. I don't
Yeah.
believe in that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, so, listening to this coming something from a person like you, so I take
Yeah.
that as a good
that
compliment.
that
So now
that's
talking
that's
about,
coming from the heart. I'm telling you, that's I am probably didn't tell you over the like I have generally commented like that only, but this is like one face to face thing which I could tell you right now. Yes.
thanks, Asha. Okay, so now
Yeah.
talking about inspiration or how I think about, putting up
Yeah.
content,
Yeah.
I don't do it last minute. There are only few days where I think of, putting it up on at the last minute, but generally I think of it a day before.
Okay.
Not the writing part, but generally
Yeah.
what picture I should be putting out next. And I
Yeah.
want to keep it very
Yeah.
colorful, and I don't want
Yeah.
to give it a very monotonous tone. So I don't
Yeah.
want to,
Yeah.
like I'm wearing one outfit and I'll put another, the next day I put another picture wearing the same outfit,
Yeah.
or, I've
Yeah.
taken
Yeah.
multiple pictures during one shoot and I just keep posting those. I don't want to do that anymore, which I used to do before. So I
Yeah.
want to, hold on to people's interest. So what I do
Yeah.
is I keep shuffling, like the next post has to be way drastically different from my previous post,
Yeah. Yeah.
so in
Yeah.
terms of color, in terms
Yeah.
of everything. So so I think of the picture and what I need to post a day before. But about the write up, yeah, that comes instant to me. So I wake up. Nowadays I post at around 10:30 in the morning because I feel that is the time
Yeah.
when people actually, people have started
Yeah.
working. So
Yeah.
during lockdown, my timings for posting was different.
Yeah.
It used to be late in the day,
Yeah.
late,
Yeah.
during in the afternoon because
In
people would get
afternoon.
up, at their
Yeah.
own
Yeah.
evening
Yeah.
evening
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
But now people have started, getting back to work.
Working.
So
Yeah.
generally, people use your phone or use social medias when they go to work.
Yes.
So I've started posting at around 10:30. So before that,
Okay.
I just get up, wake up, I freshen up myself, and then I just think, okay, this is my picture. So what can I possibly write about it?
Yeah.
So and then
Okay.
I just come up with something to write, something that is
Okay.
related to the picture that I'm
Yes.
posting.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So you have also like written. I have seen a few posts of yours where you have written something about the female, something about being like the kind of struggles probably the female has to face, and all those things, different kind of post, and those are really inspiring. So what is one thing that really inspires you, or who is that person who really inspires you, if I want to ask in that way?
So I don't derive my inspiration from just one person. That I can't really say. I'm not the kind of person who is generally a fan of anybody. I don't go about saying, oh, I'm fan of this person or I'm
Yeah.
fan of that. I draw
Yeah.
inspiration from multiple people because I think all of us are inspiring in some way or the other. Like you are
Yeah.
doing this
True.
great show, and I see the consistency, in it's not easy to just keep
Thank
going
you.
live with and connecting with strangers
Yeah.
and getting them on
Yeah.
board to talk. So, this
Yeah.
is inspiring in itself. So
Yeah.
all of us have something to give out to,
Yes.
wider
Yes.
community. So
Yeah.
I draw my inspiration from different people. Now coming to like social issues or female empowerment, I think it's very important for me, especially when I'm 35,
Yeah.
that I connect with all kinds of people, like
Mm-hmm.
social media cannot just be limited to youngsters putting up their
Yeah.
makeup,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
fashion tutorials
Yeah.
or, those
Yeah.
TikTok dances or
Yeah.
makeup.
Yeah.
It can't be just restricted to that. After a
Yeah.
certain age, you want to
Yeah.
see women or men of
Very true.
substance. You want to see what they
Yeah.
really have to offer, apart from
Exactly.
these
Exactly.
super,
Yeah.
not exactly superficial, but these stuff. So
Yeah.
I am at an age where I feel it's important that I
Mm-hmm.
don't just give out content that is aesthetically
Mm-hmm.
pleasing, but also pleasing to the mind.
Yeah. Yeah.
So and coming from a very strong background, like
Yeah.
all the women in my family
Yeah.
and also my husband's family, the women are
Yeah.
very strong.
Very strong.
Like
Okay.
I don't think any of us, any woman, have had a sob story. They're
Oh.
always the one
Yeah.
taking control of their life.
Yeah.
Like, no, if
Yeah.
this is wrong, this is wrong. So I
Very
come
nice.
from a lineage of very
Yeah.
strong
Yeah.
women. So
Background.
it
Yeah.
comes naturally to me. Yeah, it comes
Yeah.
naturally to me to voice out my opinion
Yeah.
and talk about
And you empower the other
issues
women
faced
too,
by the
and
women.
that's very important
Yeah,
because
yeah,
yeah, that's very important because what, see, that's how we do it, that's how, like, we share our like beliefs, feels, and everything, and we empower other females also, because there might not be, like, we might be privileged at some point of time, but others might not be,
exactly.
and they need that
Others,
kind of thing.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
people are writing that they are big fan of yours. People are writing that they love your eyes.
Uh,
So I'm just kind of reading, while you're talking, I'm just kind of read, all the comments, but some so these are the compliments that you're getting. So
Let me tell you,
okay.
Asha, I'm really so bad at this. I don't know how you do it. You're focusing, you're looking at me at the same time you're reading in the comments. So I just cannot do both of them together. Like there are
That's
times when you'll find me looking at it, and then you will see
no,
I'm
you
totally
don't need
tuning you
to.
off. You're
You
not
you
listening
you
to
don't
me.
need to. I told you that that's my job. I'll do it. Don't worry about that. So I'll be doing it. So okay. So one, we'll talk about this, and tell me, like, you were a dentist. You started to be a dentist, and then you this one pageant happened, and now you're a lifestyle influencer. So these are like both different worlds. How you actually kind of taking it, or what is the thing that which keeps you kicking, in the sense, what gives you that feeling, there was this another life, कुछ एक life different थी पहले, अब life different है, तो क्या है, like, क्या चीज ऐसी लगती है, यार मैं क्या पहले काम करती थी, अभी मैं ये कर रही हूँ, तो what is one thing which you really feel कि यार ये क्या हो गया मेरी life में, the changes in your life. Yeah.
Um, I like to always be, I'm all about that change. I cannot
Yeah.
have a very, as I said, for me,
Yeah.
monotony and Marita do not go well at
Okay.
all together. So I
Yeah.
want that constant change, I
Change.
want to
Okay.
remain current and
Yeah.
I want to be present and I want to adapt to the
Mm-hmm.
newer atmosphere. And I'm constantly
Yeah.
doing that.
Yeah.
So, it's very exciting to me to try out new stuff, to experiment
Mm-hmm.
and explore my
Mm-hmm.
potential.
Yeah.
So and it's never been like dentistry was always my choice. It's never been I
Yeah.
wanted to be a model or I wanted to be
Yeah.
somewhere related to glamour
Yeah.
world, but I
Yeah.
had to do it under parental pressure. It's never been like that. Dentistry
Yeah.
was
Okay.
my choice. It was
Okay.
my first choice.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I was academically doing really well in my
Yeah.
during my school days, and
Yeah.
I thought, okay, dentistry was a thing for me,
Yeah.
and I was into it. So even after graduating, even after it's been 11 years that I've been practicing dentistry. So even when I was working under somebody before, and although my
Yeah.
clinic was bang opposite to these audition centers where we would see, people coming in
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
auditions and
Yeah.
those things.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I would get offers. There have been times I've been asked, to come to give
Yeah.
audition. Why don't you just
Yeah.
try doing it?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
at that time, I didn't have inclination towards
Yeah.
glamour at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, although see, it's very exciting, it's
Yeah.
enticing, but then I didn't
Yeah.
want to get into it because I wanted to be financially very stable, and I was
Yeah.
working, I was earning, so I didn't
Yeah.
really. I was totally independent. I
Yeah.
graduated at the age of 23, 24, and after that, I didn't want to rely on my parents for anything. So I had to focus on earning money
Yeah.
and paying my rent and paying for my food and everything. So I couldn't take that freedom of, taking a leap
Yeah,
into
going back
something.
and then start your struggling thing. Yeah, got it. Yeah,
Exactly. I didn't want to
yeah,
do that. So now, after I got married and then I'm settled, so sort of
yeah,
financially settled, then
yeah,
on my friends started pestering me, and they
yeah,
started insisting that I give it a shot
yeah,
for Mrs. India. And then,
yeah,
it is the story after that. I got into Mrs. India, and then social media happened, and that's how my journey began. And I'm liking this balance between dentistry and this, because this
yeah,
keeps me on my toes and keeps me always active and busy, and I like it
yeah.
like that. I like to be always juggling between things.
Yeah,
It
I
keeps me
think
going that way.
I think your friends really have a good eye, because that they really forced you to get into this, because you definitely have
Yeah.
that kind of the what do you say, that the beauty with beauty is not about just being beautiful. It's about with brains. That's what I really admire. You really have that, because see,
Thank you,
a
Asha. Thank you
beautiful
so much.
person, beautiful person is somebody who can really inspire the others. That's what I feel. That's where your beauty stands out, and you're doing that. And I think you are at the right place, and doing the right thing. So talking about
Thank
all this,
you.
tell me, what are your colors? We're talking about a lot of colors. I actually saw your bio says that, can you just repeat that? I think I forgot that, something with the magic and color
My world of
in
magic and
realism.
colors.
Yeah, in realism, something with realism. Okay, so what
Yes.
exactly made you write that, in the sense, what there was, I can see some undertone to something which you want to tell the world, that what was that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can see
Yeah.
that, yeah,
So I see social media, you know how it is,
mm-hmm.
and I think
Yeah,
we as
mm-hmm.
influencers, it
Yeah,
becomes sort of like a job to tell people that not everything that you see is real, and
yeah,
not everything that you read or
mm-hmm.
watch about a person is real. There's a
Yeah,
lot of
yeah,
things that goes on behind the
yeah,
curtains as well.
very true.
So
Yeah,
and I see many people, they just for that minutes of fame or popularity or for quick, to quicken their
yeah,
steps towards
yeah,
success, they either
yeah,
buy followers, add
yeah,
likes and, do
yeah,
that, and also manipulate around their pictures a
yeah,
lot. They are
yeah,
some place and then they'll create a background which is of another place, and,
yeah,
you know, think, and there's something else going on in the room, but in front of the camera is different scenario presented.
yeah, yeah,
Girls, who are very different to look at in real, but
yeah,
then
yeah,
on screen they are made to look
yeah,
completely different.
yeah.
So, this is my way of telling them, see, not everything is real. They're doing it
Fake.
out of their
Yeah,
own
yeah,
pleasure. Yeah. Out of their own
yeah,
pleasure. And sometimes some people do it out of, just being
right,
fake because
right,
they don't know
right,
otherwise.
yeah,
So, create a magical world because it's
yeah.
beautiful. As kids,
Create a magical
we
world
want to
with
believe
some,
in
yeah.
magic.
Yes,
Yes, we
best,
want to believe in
definitely.
magic. We want to,
We want to, and I think that's what always kept us going. We believed in fairy tales, we believed in magic. So
yes,
we
yes,
believed,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
So that was,
So
and
you know,
yeah,
you do that. You
yeah,
be in your fantasy world. You
yes,
be in
yes,
your world. But as long as you're putting across the right message and saying that, see, this is a fantasy world. You know,
yeah,
you're dealing with
yes,
adults. You're an adult dealing with
right,
adults, and even
yeah,
the
yeah,
youngsters growing up.
yeah,
You need to give
yeah,
them the right kind of message, saying that,
very true.
this is the real world. This is a make-believe world. We just
Yeah.
take some pleasure from it, and that's it. It's just for viewing pleasure.
I think you are doing a great job in that. And when we are talking about while growing up, we believed in the fantasy world, or all this kind of dreamland and all that. So I want to know about your childhood. What I want to know is that while you were growing up, you just mentioned that you grew up in Kuwait, right? So while you were growing up, so tell me, like, what was, like, how you were as a kid, like, what was the kind of kid you were, in the sense, were you naughty, shy? And basically, in spite of all that, I want to know the mischiefs that you did as a kid, which you still remember, or you want to forget, but people around you won't let you. So, any of the things that you can remember.
I was a very confused child. Confused as in I
Okay.
would confuse people. Like nobody could
Yeah.
really predict what I was thinking or what I
Yeah.
would do next. So I've always
Oh.
been like that. So
Yeah.
even as a kid, I
So you were a
I
smart
would
kid, I would say.
pretend to be. I
If
was
somebody
smart
could,
in a very weird way.
yeah.
I
Okay.
was smart in a very weird way. If I had
Yeah.
me as a child, I would
Yeah.
forever be, oh my God, I need to be careful of this child. I don't know what she's thinking. You know?
Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'm sure my parents had a very tough time raising me.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
I wouldn't really call myself a shy kid.
Mm-hmm.
I but I was sort of somewhere an ambivert, you could say, a
Mm-hmm.
middle, somewhere
So
middle
basically
ground
your
between introvert
mind
and
always kept
extrovert.
working, right? It was always like, okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
what next? Yeah.
non-stop. Even now
Yeah.
for me, it's like that, like
Yeah.
I'm a kind of person
Yeah.
who is very restless in my
Yeah.
mind. I have
Yeah.
racing
Yeah.
thoughts. And
Yeah.
at times there are thoughts going on so fast in my mind
So
that I
quickly.
happen to stammer because it doesn't come out from my mouth. So, yeah,
Okay.
so as a child, I was mischievous, yes. I would
Hmm.
always be beating people, randomly I would just beat people. So I don't
Why?
know why I would do that. I don't know why I would
Why are
do
you
that.
taking out?
I
You
like
were taking out somebody's else, anger on somebody else. Was it like, some mom
no,
didn't give
no.
you good, mom didn't give you jam today. Okay, I'll beat you this guy, I'll beat up this guy, and probably because my mom didn't give me jam, something like that.
No, I just like what you would say. Not I wouldn't take out somebody else's anger
Yeah,
on somebody,
yeah,
but I would just
yeah.
like randomly want to pin somebody, randomly want to bite them, or randomly I just beat. They would just be sitting, and then suddenly I would jump on them and
Oh.
start beating them. I was that kind.
Oh my God, I
There was
can't
a
stop
time when
laughing.
relatives were coming to my
Okay.
place. Yeah, there was a
Oh
time
my
when
God.
my
Okay.
relatives, my
Yeah.
parents, friends or relatives, they
They used
really
to be
fear
scared.
coming to my place. Yeah, they would be scared.
I can't stop laughing.
Yeah.
because it's like getting scared of a kid. उसके घर मत जाना, वो तो मारने लग जाएगी. Oh my God, I can't think of like that. Okay, so but did you ever figured that out why you used to do that? Maybe you wanted some. Maybe you wanted people to do something like you wanted them to do for example I don't know for example somebody sitting like I can relate why I'm saying this because my brother used to do the same in the sense that when I was sitting quietly at my place so he used to come and pull my pony or pull my hair and if I didn't used to react so he would come back and do the same till the time I react. So basically he wanted reaction, he wanted fight.
Yeah,
And
actually.
so maybe that's when you were telling me that's I could the only person I could
It could,
think of that was my brother. And it brought back all
no,
the
maybe I should have
memories.
a take-to-take talk with your brother and discuss like why we used to do this, like what was driving us to do this.
Yeah, so
Because also,
yeah.
was your brother the firstborn and were you the
Yes,
younger
yes,
one?
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
so maybe it's there somewhere
Yeah.
because I'm also the firstborn, and then I
Okay,
was
okay,
born in Kuwait. So in my
okay.
house, there's just the three of us, my mom, my dad,
Yeah.
and me. So maybe that
Oh,
was a
okay.
way of, letting out my
Yeah, yeah,
outlet to
yeah,
express
yeah.
myself, or I don't know, like,
Okay, okay, got it.
what
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But that was really funny. It really brought me into splits. I'm really gonna tell my brother, okay, I found another person like you.
or there
Okay.
is somebody who's saying maybe she wanted attention as a kid. Yeah, maybe, maybe I
Yeah.
wanted a lot of
Yeah.
attention as a kid.
Yeah. So you're
Yeah.
getting see what attention that you wanted, you're getting it right now. So those things really work, because that's how you derive your aspirations and all that. And probably that was your aspiration, which was there somewhere hidden, and it came out, when you
Yeah.
got into
I
this
think, yeah.
Mrs. India
Yeah,
one.
I
Yeah.
never thought of it this way. Yeah, right. That could be,
Yeah.
That's why like
Yeah.
I want to do something so that, yeah, I never thought of it that way.
Yeah, because see, what happens is there's always two sides. Like whatever we do, that somehow we want to do, like education and everything, which is very important in our life. But there is one side of us, like as you said, you're very creative. So one side of us wants to do something else too, and then probably you don't know, you never know, what comes out, in future because that's the passion or you can say your calling. So I think
Yeah,
that's
I'm
yeah.
so glad I didn't turn out to be a serial killer. I mean, if my child had to be,
No,
what
you
a
couldn't be a
driving
serial.
force for
You
people
you
learning.
couldn't be you couldn't be a killer. You could be a hitter. Serial hitter. Killer
Oh
can't be
yeah.
the thing. Yeah, yeah, hitter. Okay, great. So tell me, Marita, like, what are your future plans? What you plan to do? How do you want to influence people? Like, and what are your plans in future? Because you keep thinking, you keep, doing something nice. So what do you want to do in?
Honestly, Asha, I used to have a preformed plan, you know. I
Mm-hmm.
was the kind of person who was, you know, see, when I started working and when I started making money, so all my focus was on to how I can have a much better life. Then,
Yeah,
of course, my parents provided me with everything in their capacity, and
yeah,
I'm grateful to them, you know. But
yeah,
I wanted my life to be better than that. I've
yeah.
always wanted to take it as a challenge, you know, to
Very true.
always do better. I
Yeah,
don't want
yeah,
to live or be happy and
yeah,
settle with what I
yeah,
have. So
yeah,
I was, okay, fine. I'll save up money. I'll do this. I'll do that. My own house, my own interiors, my own car, and all those things. So I
So what is
always
the next thing?
had.
I would say, what is the next thing that you want in
I
your
know,
list?
but that changed. That changed, because after
Okay.
my father's demise,
Okay.
everything changed.
Okay.
I'm not that person that I was before. So
Okay.
right now, if anybody asks me what's your plan, I
Yeah.
don't really have a plan. I want to
Okay.
go with the flow. I want to,
Yeah.
as long as I'm doing things that I love, as long
Mm-hmm.
as I'm getting to keep challenging myself and keep
Mm-hmm.
exploring,
Mm-hmm.
I there is no stop. So I don't
Mm.
have a preformed plan. Like I get up, I see, I get inspired. Okay, let me try this. If that's
Mm-hmm.
successful, I'm going to continue doing it. If not,
Okay.
I'm going to try this. So
Okay.
I want to try multiple things, and I want to try out everything
Hmm.
that is okay with me.
Mm-hmm.
And शादी करोगी क्या
Yeah. Yeah.
मुझसे?
Yeah.
Sorry, I
Marita
have
is
to look
already
at that
married.
comment.
Yeah. Yeah. That's okay. Because see, I told you, you don't focus there. That way I'll do that. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. So you don't have any
Yeah,
such
so
plan. So what? So
no.
when you start your day, what's the first thing that you do? क्या करती हो?
After freshening up, the first thing that I do is check my phone. I'm not
Ah,
lying.
okay.
I don't do
Yeah.
yoga. I don't do a
Hmm.
meditation. I don't do anything. First thing that I do
Yeah.
is take my phone, think about
Yeah.
my post that I thought of yesterday, and think, okay, what should I write today? What should,
So do you do
what
you do you
am I
check
going
how
to write?
many likes you got for the last post? Do you do that?
Of, of course I do. Of course I do. And
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
I would be lying if I say that I'm not
Yeah.
really bothered
Yeah.
by that. I don't
Yeah.
care. I
Yeah.
would be totally
Yeah.
lying. I'm bothered.
Yeah.
I check because
Yeah.
this is like sort of like a job now.
Yeah.
It's my
Yeah.
profession.
So
I've started
which
making money with it.
last, yeah, very true. And which last post really gave you happiness? It really made you like, wow, this really did something great to my, like whatever, the kind of comments or something new happened with, some post. What
It's
was
very
that post?
unexpected, Asha.
Yeah.
Like there are posts where I put in a lot of hard work. I actually,
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm.
shoot in a creative way
Mm-hmm.
and I edit in a
Mm-hmm.
creative way. I put it out. It
Yeah.
doesn't get as much response, and I just randomly think,
Yeah.
okay, today I'm bored. I'll just put some old picture. And
Yeah.
then that
Yeah.
goes, that boom gets 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 likes. I'm like, what is wrong with you guys? It has happened to me a couple of times, many
Yeah. Okay.
times. Like
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
really think I am not. I've
Yeah.
given least amount of effort there, and I just
Yeah.
just select one picture. I'll just let me just post this. And in
Yeah.
fact, I think yesterday or day before yesterday's post,
Yeah.
I in
Yeah.
fact my caption was no caption day. And people
Yeah.
are actually having a gala time at that. People are commenting and people are liking
Yeah.
the picture.
Yeah.
And I'm
Yeah.
like, oh wow, okay. It's crazy world.
So so people, yeah, see, that's what, in Insta or say in the social media thing, you expect the least, and then some crazy stuff happens to you. So when you expect a lot, and kya ho raha hai? Nobody is forwarding, nobody is writing anything, and it happens. Like, yeah, I can actually relate to that. Some of your posts which you really feel, oh my god, I have written so beautifully, and people are gonna read that. Nobody's gonna read that. Sometimes it doesn't
Nobody
happen.
is going to do that.
So
And I
yeah,
just put
yeah,
like no
yeah.
caption day, and everybody like, oh wow, no caption day.
Wow,
Okay, finally,
right.
you're shutting your
Yeah,
mouth. You're not saying
yeah.
anything.
Very true, very true. So tell me, which colors define you? You know, what are your colors? You know, if somebody has to ask you, what are your colors? What? Okay, one more quick.
I think
Yeah, yeah,
my
you talk.
color that
Hmm.
best defines me is, uh, um, I think a shade of black, somewhere between black
Okay.
and maroon. Yeah,
Hmm.
I think I am there somewhere. Somewhere
Okay,
between
great.
black and maroon. Yeah.
So Yash wants to know, how do you get that glow? And you look so pretty. And you need to tell.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Yash.
Yeah.
So, my key to the glow is good focus light. I guess I have a light here. So, now apart
Tell me.
from that,
I think they are asking the inner glow. Yes.
I think I don't really experiment a lot with the cosmetics. I prefer keeping it natural and giving a lot of time where my
Yeah.
skin can breathe. And I think this is
Mm-hmm.
something it's very important for girls, for women to know
Yeah.
today
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know, not to keep their skin covered with makeup or
Yeah.
experiment with
Yeah.
different commercially
Yeah.
available skincare products. You
Yeah.
know, like see what
Right.
your skin is used to, consult a
Right.
good dermat and stick to that
Yeah.
regime, you know.
Yeah.
And even if you
Right.
want to make the big switch,
Hmm.
take a consultation from your dermat. So I'm very strict about that. Maybe because you know I come
Okay.
from medical field. I'm a dentist, so
Yeah.
I am very
Yeah.
particular about what's going on my skin. So even the PR
Yeah.
packages that I get, you know, where I have to
Yeah.
promote certain
Yeah.
cosmetics or so,
Yeah.
skincare especially, I take it to
Yeah.
my dermat. So I
Okay.
always make a point to take it to my dermat and ask, is this agreeable to my skin? Is
Hmm.
this good?
Hmm.
And only
Hmm.
then I promote. So I even message the brands
Okay.
that, you know, see,
Okay.
I'm very particular about this.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give my honest review and opinion,
Yeah.
and I'm only going to endorse it if my
Yeah.
dermat says this is good and it
This
is
is
approved
good.
by her. So
That's
I
amazing.
have been very particular about the skin. So I think this is something that all the girls,
Yeah.
the women should know. Actually,
Should.
I feel
Very
that
true.
personally.
Well, I think everybody should follow that. And, you know, you're doing, again, I'll say, you know, you're doing a great job by being honest in your profession, which generally people think, ki nahi, chalo, hame kya, like, you know, we are getting money, so it's fine. But then you're doing, again, a
Yeah.
great job. And so, any message that you want to give your fans and followers? Thank you, Akshay. Thank you so much. So Yash is saying, I'm a boy. Well, we figured that out, Yash, that, you know, it's okay. You know, you being a boy, you can also ask about glow and pretty and, you know, all those stuff. That's
Of
okay.
course, of
Yeah,
course, of
yeah,
course. Why
yeah,
not? And you
yeah.
see so
So
many male influencers, you know, getting into
yeah,
this beauty,
exactly,
which is
exactly.
quite inspiring. Yeah,
Yeah,
although I feel they shouldn't go overboard with it.
yeah.
But as long as they don't go
Very
overboard with
true,
it and take
very
good
true.
care of their skin and
Yeah,
very
yeah,
particular about their skin,
yeah,
it is
yeah.
quite appreciable. One
Okay,
should
yeah.
ask such questions. Yeah.
Yes. So, any message that you want to give to your fans, to your followers, whoever is watching, or probably watch later on in YouTube or my Insta handle?
My message is stay true, you know, stay true, be
Yeah, stay
honest
true.
as much as possible. In
Yes.
this world, I think
Yeah.
that is a rarity.
Yeah.
And I want to see that honesty and that genuineness in people. And I really crave to see that. So the minute I see somebody, you know, having that personality, I connect with them, you know,
Yeah.
and it, and somewhere, you know, people, if not quickly, but in a long run, you do gain a lot of trust. And I
Very true.
want my audience, you know, people who follow me, who follow my content or my lifestyle, to understand that I want to keep it real as much as possible. I can't really 100% promise or guarantee that, you know, everything that you see is real. That is not humanly possible, but at least
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
strive to be
Yeah.
80% real, you know, and
Yeah.
that is my message, you know,
Yeah.
be you, be honest,
Be real.
and
Be you. Yeah.
yes, and explore the world, and you know,
Explore the world.
and
Very
just
true.
explore the world. It's a big
Marika,
world.
very true.
Just
I
keep
totally
exploring.
agree, you know, on those, whatever you said, because again, you know, all these things count. And, you know, in the long run, these are the things which always, you know, people will remember. People, koi fake, kisi ko koi yaad nahi rakhta hai, you know, real people ko yaad rakhte hain. That's all I have to
Yeah,
say. So you
yeah.
being real in this kind of fake world, well, I really appreciate that. And, you know, I really enjoyed this chit chatting with you, and, you know, all the thoughts and, you know, all the things that you said. definitely you're doing a great job, and continue to do that, continue to go with the flow, and whatever you want to achieve in your life, achieve that. That's all I can wish you right now. And thank you so much for taking out your time and joining this chat. It was amazing. Yeah.
It was my pleasure, Asha. It was lovely talking to you.
Yeah,
Hope
same
we
here.
get to meet someday.
Surely बहुत आसपास रहते हैं, like कभी ना कभी तो टकराएंगे for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye
Thank you
bye.
for having me, Asha.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bye bye.
Bye.